Next, you'll stitch all of the words using a back stitch and 2 strands of embroidery floss. Make sure that you make your stitches very, very short, especially around the tight curves like the top of the E, the top of the M, and this A here. Those are going to be very tiny stitches that you're going to be using.
For the back stitch, you want to bring your thread up from the back. And just like the running stitch, we're going to go 1 stitch forward. And then we're going to skip a stitch length and bring our needle up through the back again. But instead of moving forward like we did with the running stitch, we're going to move back, hence the name, the back stitch, and come back down through the hole that you previously went up in on that last stitch. And so continue doing that. Move forward a stitch coming in from the back, and then move backwards a stitch going down into the same hole from that last stitch. This is a really good stitch for doing outlines of things. I like to use this stitch a lot on my lettering, and I'll do sometimes 2 rows of a back stitch, one right next to the other one to make the lettering thicker. When you're going down a straight line like this, you want to keep your stitch length fairly even. If you're working on something that has a lot of tight curves, you'll want to make your stitch smaller, especially when you get to those tight curves. A smaller stitch is going to make your curves look a lot smoother.